Hey pals, Kelvin here with the Lens Pal, and today we're going to show you how to balance the Ronin S. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is attach the tripod feet to the Ronin S battery grip. Unfold the tripod feet and place on a level surface. Then mount the grip to the Ronin S and turn the lever until it's in the lock position. Mount the Ronin S tripod plate on the camera and secure it with the 1/4-20 screw. Then slide the camera with the tripod plate onto the mounting base. Then tighten the lock. Rotate the lens until the camera is vertical. If the camera is top or bottom heavy, push the tilt axis up or down, then tighten the knob. If the camera faces up vertically and stays, the tilt axis is balanced. Now, point the camera forward to check if the camera is balanced. If the camera is top or bottom heavy, push the camera mounting plate forward or backwards. Then turn the lever to lock the position. Next, we're going to balance the roll axis. If it's tilted to the left or right, the camera is left or right heavy. Push the arm in to the opposite direction to balance, then tighten the roll axis arm. Next, we're going to balance the pan axis. Grab the grip and tilt it sideways, then check the gimbal's movement. If the gimbal is tilting to the left or right, push the pan axis arm forward or backwards. If the camera stays still in any position that you put it, then the Ronin S is balanced. Press the power button on the grip once to turn on the battery. Then press and hold the gimbal's power button to turn on the Ronin S. Now you're all ready to go out and shoot. Be sure to leave us a like or comment if this video was helpful. This has been Kelvin with the Lens Pal, and I'll see you on the next one.